Good morning students. In this video lecture I am going to discuss how to calculate standard deviation for continuous series. Standard deviation in continuous series is calculated by formula under root sigma ft square upon n minus sigma ft upon n ka whole square into I. Here n is equals to sigma f. Let's solve a problem on standard deviation. First of all, write down the value of class interval in the first column. Now find out the mid value or x by adding lower limit and upper limit of the class interval and dividing the sum by 2. So 0 plus 10 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. In the same way, find the mid values for all the class interval. So 10 plus 20 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 is 50 divided by 2 is 25. So the class interval for 30 to 40 is 35, 40 to 50 is 45, 50 to 60 is 55 and 60 to 70 is 65. Now write down the value of frequency in the third column, which is 15, 12, 21, 20, 10, 8 and 5. Now find out the value of sigma f by adding all the values of frequency. So 15 plus 12 plus 21 plus 20 plus 10 plus 8 plus 5 is 91. Now find out d, which is x minus a upon I. Here a is any value from the mid value or x, but I have selected 35 as a. You can select any value from x as a, and I is the difference of upper limit and lower limit of the class interval. So in this question I is 10 minus 0 is 10. So the value of I is 10. So D for class interval 0 to 10 is 5 minus a is 35. 5 minus 35 upon I is 10. So D is minus 3. In the same way, find out the value of D for all the class interval. So 15 minus 35 upon 10 is minus 2. 25 minus 35 upon 10 is minus 1. 35 minus 35 upon 10 is 0. 45 minus 35 upon 10 is 1. 55 minus 35 upon 10 is 2. 65 minus 35 upon 10 is 3. Now find out FD by multiplying frequency and D. So 15 into minus 3 is minus 45. 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. 21 into minus 1 is 21. 20 into 0 is 0. 10 into 1 is 10. 8 into 2 is 16. 5 into 3 is 15. Now find out sigma FD by adding all the values of FD. Add the negative values together and the positive values together. So minus 45 minus 24 and minus 21 is minus 90. 0 plus 10 plus 16 plus 15 is 41. So sigma ft is equals to minus 90 plus 41. Minus plus is minus. So sigma ft is equals to minus 49. Now find out ft square. Ft square is calculated by multiplying ft and d. So minus 3 into minus 45 is 35, 135. Minus 2 into minus 24 is 48. Minus 1 into minus 21 is 21. 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 10 is 10. 2 into 16 is 32. And 3 into 15 is 45. Now find out sigma ft square by adding all the values of ft square. So 135 plus 48 plus 21 plus 0 plus 10 plus 32 plus 45 is 291. Now put the values of sigma ft square, sigma ft and sigma f in the formula. So standard deviation is equals to under root sigma ft square is 291. 291 upon sigma f is 91 minus sigma fd is minus 49 upon 91 ka whole square into I is 10. Now solve this equation. So standard deviation is equals to under root 3.197 minus 0.538 का whole square into 10. Solve this equation. The standard deviation, the final value of standard deviation will be 17.052.